Hey, it is your girl Tracy, and welcome to my channel. Yay! We're about to go make some lipstick, okay? Mate lipstick, that's what we're about to make. Get you some gloves and make sure your area is sanitized. You need to sanitize, especially if you're doing this for sale or you're doing this for another person as a gift or something, like even for yourself. Make sure you keep your area clean. Use your alcohol, your disinfectant. Clean that table, clean that desk, clean your workspace, wherever you are. Clean your bowls, okay? I've already gone ahead and done that, and now I'm putting on my gloves. You need those, okay? And so yes, now I'm using stainless steel bowl. You can use whichever bowl you'd like. I love using stainless steel because it's easy clean up. All I have to use is some alcohol, spray that in there, wipe that all out, use some soap to wash it, and we are good to go. So I'm going to use some waxes. I'm using 2 waxes today. You can use as much waxes as you'd like. I'm using 2. All right, I'm using carnauba wax, which I got from TKB. Guys, don't use this wax alone. It is very grainy if you use it alone. I don't know why. I've tried many other ways to get it smooth and use it alone, but it didn't work, okay? So use your carnauba wax with your beeswax, which I'm about to do. There you go. So I'm using yellow beeswax. You can use white beeswax as well, but I just like yellow beeswax. Plus I use this in my soaps, my soap making, because I make a lot of skincare products. For those who do not know, check out my website at www.handmadezion.org. I would appreciate it. Order something, try something. Let's go. I'm about to use my 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. All right, so I'm using 1 tablespoon of wax. You do not need a lot of waxes, especially if you're not making a lot of lipstick, okay? I'm only making about 3 or 4, so 1 tablespoon of each wax is perfect for me. Believe me, I had a lot of leftovers making this. I was going to make only 3, and the portions with just 2 tablespoons of each wax, I made a lot of lipstick. I made about how much? I made some small ones because I have the little 5 milliliter jars. Yes, so here goes my carnauba wax, 1 tablespoon. And here goes my bee wax, 1 tablespoon as well. All right, there goes my waxes. There they go. I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil because you do know that matte lipstick is very dry and it's drying to the lips. It's drying because of the isododocane that we use. So I'm gonna use some castor oil. Castor oil is very good for the skin, especially the lips, the face. It's very good. It moisturizes so well. So you need some castor oil. It's in a lot of cosmetics product. Okay, so I'm using 2 teaspoons. And I'm also going to add, you don't have to add a lot of oils, but add as much as you would like for the consistency that you would like. Come on, you don't got to worry. Melt this down. I'm also going to add some coconut oil, my favorite, because that's what gives me the most shiny, glossy look, okay, to my lipstick. And it just holds its place in my formula. It's good. Like, use you some coconut oil. Get you some, okay? Organic as you can be. So yeah, I'm using 2 teaspoons of this too. You don't have to use a lot. Use as you go. Judge it how you want. I'm just freehanding, no formulas right now because I'm just making a few. But yeah, you can add shea butter, cocoa butters too, like whatever. You can try stuff. Come on guys, you need to be creative. Just try whatever you'd like. But yeah, but stick to the basic formula, basic steps, which is waxes and oils, okay? All right, so there we go. I'm going to just put this on the stove. And guys, I'm doing a double boil method, meaning there's a pot on my stove right now, bubbling with water. I'm going to turn the stove off and I'm going to put this stainless steel bowl inside that pot and let it just melt. These are my colors. I'm using micas, and I have another small bowl and a stainless steel spoon, which is easy to mash my wax. And yeah, I love my stainless steels. I'm using titanium dioxide, yeah, to just make my color pop. Titanium dioxide makes your makeup pop even more and stays on your lips, shows on your lips way better. If you use the micas alone, it doesn't pop that much. It gives you a nice little light color, but if you put that titanium dioxide in, it makes that color pop, and you would like that payoff. And okay, you need a pipette because we're going to add some isododocane, and we need to pick it up from the bottle with our pipette. So yeah, the isododocane is what makes your lipstick mate. Okay, you cannot make a matte lipstick without isododocane, and I got that from TKB Trading. Also, you need a syringe because that's what you're going to use to put the lipstick into your container, your tube. I'm using a wand tube, and I bought these off, I think, Walmart. Yeah, Walmart or Amazon, they have them. You can, because I didn't buy a lot. So now I did put some isododocane while my oils were melting on the stove. I put some 1 milliliter of isododocane in there to just melt down with the oil. So yeah, I didn't show you that, but I did that. Yeah, and you see my oil is already setting. I took it off the stove and it started setting because the temperature where I'm at is very cold. It's winter now. It's very cold outside. Yes, so as soon as I took that part off, the oil started to set. I did not have to put it in the refrigerator, in the freezer. Okay, so if you are in an area that's hot, just put it in the freezer for a couple minutes and it will come together perfectly. I'm choosing my color. I'm going to use this blue one right here. Yeah. So now that the waxes have set, I'm going to go ahead and just break apart some of it. I'm just going to pick some out, like take a little, you know. It's very, can you believe I didn't put that in the freezer? That took like a couple minutes to get like that hard because where I'm at is so cold. But yeah, I'm just putting a little piece for the first color because I'm doing a couple colors with this batch. So I'm going to put a little bit into my small bowl to start the mashing. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna need some oils. Again, you're gonna need your castor oil, and you're gonna need your color, and you're gonna need your spoon, and you're gonna see what we do. So yes, so now you're just going to take your time and you're just going to mash your wax, mash them together against the bowl. Like just squeeze with your spoon to the wall, pull your spoon up the wall, mash and scrape, mash and scrape, just mash and scrape and keep that until everything is completely mashed and scraped. And while you're doing so, you're going to need a little bit of oil. Just tip a little bit, like drain a little bit at a time. Put another teaspoon. Just as you go, you will be able to tell. Just judge it, okay? Unless you're doing a big batch, you're going to need measurements, but you have to create that on your own. I can't tell you that because I can't tell you my formula. I can't give you away all the secrets. I'm giving you the basics, how I learned, and make it your own. So I'm mashing and I'm scraping, pulling that wax up on the bowl, pulling it up, pull it around. Use the whole entire surface of your bowl, okay? Because it's gonna come off easily. It's very easy. So yeah, mash, scrape, mash, and scrape. Add oil as you go along. It helps it loosen up the wax and makes it easy for you to mash. So yeah, so I have speed this up, cut out some of this. It took a long mashing. It can take a while, guys. It took me maybe 15 to 20 minutes to mash how I want, to the texture I want, because I don't want too liquefied. I don't want it to be liquefied too much. That's what I meant. So yeah, I have mashed and scraped, and look how it looks now. Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and just add my titanium dioxide in. I'm adding just a pinch, okay? You judge as you go along. I'm using one of my popsicle stick because I use the small ones. And I just use that popsicle stick and I just take a little bit of it out. Or you can just use a little mini spoon, yeah, like that, which I'm going to use today. This is like a quarter or a third. I didn't tell you what that was. What was it? But you just need a little. Put it I'm not using it all at once. I'm mashing and I'm mixing and I'm scraping until I get the colors mixed in. So go ahead, mix, scrape, add your titanium dioxide as you go to give that base a lighter, make it white. It takes a lot of scraping and mashing, but you can do it. Go ahead. Sorry. So keep mashing and scraping. There, so I have mashed it enough and I mixed all of my powder. There's no white speckle spots all over my bowl. I mixed everything as I possibly can, and yeah, and it got, and I added oils and stuff, and it is very smooth. Yes, I like that. Now I'm going to add some more isododocane inside of air. I'm adding a little less of a milliliter. There we go. And I'm going to mash that in and scrape. Mash and scrape, mash and scrape. Mash and scrape and repeat. There we go. Yeah, that's coming up perfectly. That is so cool. What do you think, guys? It's so easy. It's hard work because it's a lot of mashing and it hurts your hand, but darn it, I love doing this. This is my life right here. Making products is my life. Love it. So yeah, I mashed and scraped enough, and I'm gonna add my mica. I'm adding my Blue Magic right here. Use skin safe colors and pigments, guys. Don't have no crazy breakouts, but if you do have breakouts, go on my website and get my body butters and my creams and my oils and everything. So here we go. This is how I use my little popsicle stick. Take out my mica and I just add it into my titanium dioxide mixed wax because I want that blue to pop. So yeah, I'm just gonna do again. Go ahead, we're gonna repeat the method of scraping, mixing, mashing. Okay guys, so I have mixed my color in. Keep mixing until you get the color you want. I've added mica over and over, a little at a time until I got the color that I want. This was a little bit light, so I add some more mica, mixed and scraped, and that's the color that I got, and I love that color, and this is how it looks. Yeah, so I'm working with this color. You can get it on my website, guys. This is on my website right now, along with 3 other colors, because I do also have 2 other lip mates. Beautiful colors, natural looking colors. Okay, so I'm filling my syringe right now. All you got to do is open the top and spoon it in. And if it is liquid enough, you can just suck it up with this syringe. So, yeah. And this is very messy, guys, but that's why you need to sanitize and keep your area very clean. Now I'm going to put the top of the syringe in and just push the lipstick down. Then I'm going to get my tube that I'm using and I'm going to squeeze my lipstick in the tube. If you use the syringe with that you can use with a pipette, that is good. I'm using one that is small, too small for that, because I ran out of the other syringes, but this worked just as well. I just squeeze the lipstick in and I just tap the tube until it falls to the bottom or fall in place. And I want to say, guys, thank you very much. If you are this far in my video, thank you very much for watching, and I appreciate you. Please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And if you're doing your own lipstick, leave a picture so I see how it came out. I would appreciate that too. So yeah, keep squeezing your lipstick into your tube, knocking it down. That's how it falls into place. You don't want to leave no hair bubble spot in there because it will show. And once you do that, leave enough space to add your stopper in, because if you put it too much and the stopper has no space, when you put your wand in, the stopper will pop right back up. So don't fill it too much. Once you put your wand in and the stopper in, the rest of the space will be covered by the lipstick. So don't fold it to the top, your tube to the top. Yes, there we go. Yeah, my little girl come to interrupt me as usual. And yeah, so now I'm gonna put my stopper in because I put enough. I didn't fold it to the top. Yeah, my gloves stay. That's how hard this work is. You rip gloves, all these things. That's why you have to keep everything sanitized. So I want you guys to continue to watch my videos. Please subscribe down below if you haven't already, so you can be notified when a new video has been added. And go and visit my website to see all the different products I have. I have skincare products, not just lipstick and cosmetic stuff. I have a lot of soaps and lotions. So go to www.handmadezion.org and go and order some good stuff from Handmade Zion. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. And there we go. We have our finished product right here. I also have some little 5-gram jars. You can put lipstick in, lip gloss in, you know, lip balms. And I also fill them with what I call them my lip bucket, and they're on my website, and you get them along with this lipstick. So yeah, I had made enough where I can fill the jars and fill the wands. And you get both when you order off my website. I'm about to show you right now. So these are the little jars. You can put lipstick, lip gloss, or scrubs in it, lip scrub. I just put my lip color in it, and I call them my lip bucket, and they're on my website. So go guys, go ahead, order up, try the color out, try this color out, okay? And they are numbered. So thank you very much guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, let me show you how this color looks before we go. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment down below. I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.